Linking your bank account to ProtonMail can enhance your experience by allowing for seamless transactions and subscriptions. Follow these steps to securely connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Open your web browser and go to the ProtonMail website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by gear icon. Click on it to open the settings options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to manage your payment settings. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Within the Payment Methods section, find the option to add a new payment method. Choose the option for linking a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Submit button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification regarding the successful connection. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your ProtonMail account. This will facilitate any future transactions and enhance your overall experience.